And for all of those people who listen and they don't know why actually team managed projects are so bad, like in admin environment.
They're bad because they can't scale. So for example, you have two engineering teams and you want, each one has their own Jira space. You want them to have the same workflow. There's no way to use one workflow across both spaces. They have to be separate and you have to manage them separately. So if you want to add a status, a rule, whatever, you have to do it manually in each space. And there's no way to standardize that. And on the level of two spaces, it's manageable, not really a big deal. But imagine you have 50, 100 engineering spaces, which is pretty common. Good luck going through 50 of those and making sure they're all standardized. And then each one has their own admin that tweaks things and changes things. That's why you want company managed, because long term, it's just going to be far more standardized. But also there's some core features missing in team managed that company managed has to this day. I don't know if they'll ever be patched, but there's a few little things that you end up running into and it's like, can't do anything about it. We just either have to move to company managed or live without it. Real quick, I know this looks like a lot. And if you'd rather just have me and my team help implement exactly what I'm showing you in this video, that is exactly what we do. We're currently opening up 4 more slots for our Jira strategy. We only run 4 of these per month. If you're interested, hit the first link in the description below.